So this is the least square method. A least square method. So the first method is point collocation method. Second method is subdomain method. Here it is least square method. We are going to square the residual. We are going to square the residual. So the formula you can recall dou R by dou C integration of R dx, which is equal to 0. In another form, we can write dou by dou C. You multiply R inside so that it is R square dx equal to 0. So either in any form you can proceed. So here I am going to proceed in the second format. I am going to find R square first. So we know the residual function C1 EI pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus Q naught. For a problem that is a simply supported beam with a UDL, the residual function does not change with respect to sinusoidal form. If you assume y equal to sin by x by L, y equal to some constant into sin by x by L, the residual function does not change. This is the function we are using in multiple methods. So residual function is C1 EI pi power 4 by L power 4. So I am putting capital L. So pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus Q naught. So we are going to square this form R square. R square is equal to C1 EI pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus Q naught the whole square. So it is in the form of A minus B the whole square. So we can rewrite A square C1 square EI the whole square pi power 8 by L power 8 sin square pi x by L. So it is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So plus Q naught square minus 2C1 EI pi power 4 by L power 4 Q naught sin pi x by L. So it is the first term is A square. Here it is B square minus 2A into B. So the B component is Q naught. So now it is squared. So next thing is integration of R square. Integration of R square. So integration of R square dx. So integration of the above equation, the previous equation C1 square EI the whole square pi power 8 by L power 8 sin square pi x by L into dx. So it is an integration function and I am separating each function. Q naught square dx minus 2 Q naught C1 EI pi power 4 by L power 4 integration of sin pi x by L dx. So I am separating each term. Here the constants are C1 square EI the whole square pi power 8 by L power 8 integration of, I am changing sin square pi x by L is equal to 1 plus cos 2 pi x by L divided by 2. Sin square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 because we can't integrate directly the sin square pi x by L. So we are changing into 1 plus cos 2 pi x by L by 2 into dx plus q naught square x. So the limits are 0 to L. The limits are 0 to L minus 2 q naught c1 ei pi power 4 by L power 4. So sin pi x by L is equal to minus cos pi x by L into L by pi. So we are going to apply the limits for minus cos pi x by L 0 to L. So I am taking 1 by 2 outside. C1 square ei the whole square pi power 8 by L power 8 by 2. If you integrate 1, it is x. If you integrate cos 2 pi x by L, it is sin 2 pi x by L into L by 2 pi into L by 2 pi. So the limits 0 to L for x, it is 0 to L. So this constant is common for the first term plus q naught square L minus 2 q naught c1 ei pi power 4 by L power 4. I am taking L by pi outside. If you substitute minus cos pi L by L, minus of minus plus cos 0. So the outer limits are substituted. C1 square ei the whole square pi power 8 by 2L power 8. The first limit is L. The second limit L by 2 pi sin 2 pi L by L minus sin 0. And other terms plus q naught square L. If you cancel L and L power 4, pi and pi power 4, it will be pi cube and L cube minus 2 q naught c1 ei pi cube by L cube. So minus cos pi, it is plus 1, plus cos 0 is plus 1. So the sin 2 pi value is 0, sin 0 is also 0. So the only term remaining is c1 square ei the whole square pi power 8 by 2 L power 8 into L. So all other terms are 0 plus q naught square L minus, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 q naught c1 ei pi cube by L cube. So now the L and L power 8 is reduced to L power 7. And all other terms are okay. So this is what the integration of r square dx. The integration of r square dx. Now we are going to differentiate. What is the formula in, what is the concept in the least square method? Dou by dou c of r square dx. Now we have completed as integration of r square dx. We are going to differentiate this r square dx with respect to constants. That we have to kindly note. We are not going to differentiate with respect to x. We are going to differentiate with respect to constant. So again I am writing dou by dou c of c1 square ei the whole square 5 power 8 by 2l power 7 plus q naught square L minus 4q naught C1 EI pi cube by L cube. So this is the residual square function. So here we are going to integrate with respect to the constant, which is equal to 0. So we have to minimize the integration with respect to constant of the integral function of r square dx. So if you differentiate with respect to constant, so it is c1 square. So 2c1 ei the whole square 5 power 8 by 2l power 7. Here q naught square L is the totally constant value. There is no c1, and minus 4q naught. The constant c1 is 1 ei pi cube by L cube. When you differentiate constant c1, it is 1 because we are differentiating with respect to constant. So it is 1. So cancel 2 and 2 and keep this term left side because we are aiming to find out the value of constant. Then only we can complete the deflection formula. And keeping this second term to the right side, ei pi cube by L cube. So now to simplify, it is L power 4, it is pi power 5 ei, and square is cancelled. Now C1 is equal to 4q naught L power 4 by ei pi power 5. 4q naught L power 4 ei pi power 5. The next, the y, we can finalize the v of x format. 4q naught L power 4 by pi power 5 ei sin pi x by L. When you substitute x equal to L by 2, we will get the y max at center. 4q naught L power 4 by pi power 5 ei sin pi into L by 2 by L. So you get cancel the L. So sin pi by 2, which is equal to 1. So finally you get y max is equal to 4q naught L power 4 by pi power 5 ei. If you substitute the value, and we are rewriting the form q naught L power 4 by ei, we can divide pi power 5 by 4. The value of denominator is 76.5. 76.5. So this is what the least square method of solution in a weighted residual methods. So the same problem we are going to solve in Galerkin's method in the next video.